Hello everyone, thank you very much for joining. In this tutorial, we will learn how to remove an object from a picture. So at times we do take different pictures and then we find like different objects and we really don't want them there. So I'll give you few easy steps, and once we follow those steps, you'll see yourself how easy it is to remove the certain object from the picture. So without further ado, let's start. For this tutorial, I've taken this image, and what we will do is we will remove this lamp from this picture. So first of all, we will go to the toolbar, and if you are a beginner and you don't know where the toolbar is, then you can go on the top menu, select Windows, scroll down. Right at the end there is an option of tools. Click on that, and there you go. All our tools are on the left hand side. You can customize these tools and move them around wherever you feel comfortable with. I always like to have them on the left hand side. So what we will do first is we will select this part which we don't want in the picture. For that, we will go on the less and find the lesser tool. I will click on it and we'll take the very first option of lesser tool, and then I will do a selection around the object which I don't want. Make sure you leave a little bit space, and because we're using a content aware tool, so once you do the selection, it will pop up that it's the object is being selected. After the selection, go on the top menu, second option, edit, click on edit and scroll down to fill. Once you go and open the fill option, you will have to go to the content aware tool. I've just changed it so that you know if there is any other option, you need to click on it and get the content aware option. So once you click content aware, make sure the color adaptation is also checked. After getting this done, leave it to normal and opacity 200, press OK. So once you press OK, the process will start and the content aware tool will remove the object you have selected from the picture. So that's what it is doing right now. We have selected the content aware tool from the edit option from the top menu, and after we clicked OK, it is doing its work, and within few seconds the object won't gonna be there. So as you can see, the selection is there but the object is not there. In this example, because we've got a darker background, but if you've got say if it is a wall and once the object is removed and it left a little bit of shade, darker shade, then there is a way to fix that too. So I'll quickly tell you how to do that. First of all, we will deselect this by pressing Ctrl D. So it's Command D if you're using Mac, and then we will go to the toolbar and select Clone Stamp Tool. We will click on it. That's the very first option, Clone Stamp Tool, and you can change the size of brush as you wish. For that, I need like a little bit bigger size, which is there. For the selection, you need to press Alt key and click on the area, any area around. It will pick up the texture from that area, and then you can paint it where you have removed the object. So as you can see, the texture is changing. You can click again by pressing Alt and it will do the selection, and as you can see, the texture is changing. So with the help of this, you can change the texture. You can if it is a background, if it is a wall, it left a darker shade, you can change that too. So that was a very quick tutorial in explaining how you can remove the object from the picture. I hope you have learned these easy steps, and please do subscribe my channel, so I'll keep on making these tutorial videos for you, and hope we will meet again in the next tutorial. Thank you very much for watching.